Welcome to c49HockeyBreaks, box break number 384, and today we've got our fifth box out of the 30-box master case of 2021 clear cut. Last two boxes of the case have been pretty good, so hopefully continue the luck here today as we've got box number 177. Box number 5 from the 30-box master case. And our one box clear cut here today has a exclusives 9 of 35, Mark Stone. Mark Stone exclusives, 9 of 35. Another decent pull here today. Box number 5 of 30, Mark Stone exclusives. Well, folks, that is going to do it here today for our one box break of 2021 clear cut box number 5 from the 30-box master case. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, mystery pack Mondays, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come.